Audi has revealed its all-new A6 at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show. And while it may look like any other 3-box Audi, it actually packs a lot of stuff under the skin. It gets mild hybrid tech for both engines it's currently offered with, both the petrol and the diesel, and Audi says this translates into fuel savings of up to 0.7 liters per 100 kilometers. It's a real treat to be inside the new A6 with its all-new dash design, all-new seats and general air of minimalist sophistication. Tech is obviously a huge deal too, and it'd be pointless to list all the gadgets it gets. But worth a mention are its two center console screens, measuring 10.1 and 8.6 inches respectively, as well as the start-stop system, which is predictive and actually starts your engine when it sees the car in front start moving. The all-new A6 will reach the German market first in June, where it will cost from 58,000 euros.
Comme toujours, mais c'est drôle parce qu'on a comme dans la 508 un peu de rebord. Ah mais les écrans sont pas allumés là. Il y a quelques années, j'avais discuté avec un mec qui bossait sur les écrans et qui disait le problème c'est quand ils sont éteints, on voit rien ça.
에쿠스는 90은 4인승으로 돼 있잖아. 이게 딱 고정으로 돼 있지. 이거는 5명이 타겠다.
La législation en France ne permet pas.
10 secondes. Regarde la taille. Ça va très très lourd. Pour une berline, c'est vrai,